Hello, my students. This is Lewis the Librarian with your quick tech tip of the day. Hello, my students. Have you ever had a situation where you accidentally made a mistake while you're working on a document or perhaps a spreadsheet, or if you're editing a photo? Well, I'm going to show you how you can fix that. This is going to be your new best friend on your keyboard. It's called CTRL Z. It's what we call a keyboard shortcut. So let me demonstrate. Share my screen with you. So let's say you're working on your great novel and you accidentally hit delete on your keyboard. Oh no, what do I do? Well, all you have to do is keep your finger on the control button on your keyboard and tap the letter Z. It'll undo the last thing that you did. But you know what? You realize, I need to start from scratch. So if you hit Control Y, it'll go ahead and redo the last action that you took. Control Y. So my last action was to delete everything. So it's just redoing that. It's like, you know what? No, I need all that information back. Control Z. Okay, but what if you're working on an Excel spreadsheet? You worked really hard on this. You're doing a budget. You're creating some kind of list that you have to work on, or a report, and you accidentally, your finger slipped on the keyboard and you hit delete. Oh no, what do I do? Same thing, Control Z to undo the last thing that you did. And voila, just like magic, all of your information comes back. Or if you realize, you know what, I need to start from scratch, Control Y to redo. All right. It works the same if you're doing photo editing. So let's say I changed this background by accident to, let's say, pink. And whoops, I don't know how to go back. Now, technically, you can go over here, look for the menu here where it says edit, and you can undo your last thing. But if you notice to the right of the word undo, it has a little shortcut there where it says Control Z. So instead of doing that, all you have to hit is Control Z. Pow, and it'll go back to its previous color. So I hope that is helpful to you. Control Z is going to be your new best friend. It's going to save you a lot of headaches and a lot of time. So hopefully we'll see you at the next video. Share this with somebody that you think it might be helpful, and we'll see you then. Take care. If you like what you see here, make sure to hit the subscribe button on my channel and check out my other links on my link tree featured in the description below or on the profile page of my social media accounts. See you soon.